Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 所 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. 所 Actually, place. For example, 所以 所以 therefore, so. Now check this sentence. So, what do you want? So, 你想怎样? So, 你想 you want 怎样 So, what do you want? 所以你想怎样? This is my casual handwriting on 所. So, actually, place. 所以 so, therefore. So, what do you want? 所以你想怎样? Please comment any words or sentence with the character 所. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.